Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best camcorder 2021 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. The best camcorders have never had it better, with 4K cameras now available at any price point. When it comes to selecting the right camera for video, more and more people are realizing that having a computer that is dedicated and optimized for shooting movies, and has a large zoom built in, always means a camcorder is a much better option than a multi-purpose camera or smartphone. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Sony FDR-AX700. The FDR-AX700 is a high-end 4K camcorder with a 1-inch XMR-RS CMOS sensor that records 4K video in both SDR and HLG, hybrid log gamma, HDR. A 12x zoom, a large 3.5-inch viewfinder, dual SD card slots, and advanced phase detection AF are among the features. For both 4K and HD video, the FDR-AX700 uses ZAVGAS, with 100 megabits per second for 4K and 50 megabits per second for 1080p. It will also fire at 120 frames per second in 1080p. The Bian's X image processor from the brand keeps images crisp. For serious videographers and even aspiring filmmakers, the FDR-AX700 is one of the best camcorders available. On recordings, a standard SIM timecode can be used. Super slow motion is used in the trick replay. On number 4, GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is the ultimate action camera, with a rugged design that can withstand drops in water. Underneath the outer shell is a super powerful device capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second. This camera has some of the best image stabilization available and a variety of preset settings to fit your needs. Granted, there is no front-facing screen, and despite having voice controls, these aren't the most reliable. But with that super strong build that doesn't even require a case for underwater use, this does it all for the price. The supporting app is excellent for easy file transfer, video editing and sharing of footage. Onboard GPS, triple microphones and a 1220 mAh battery all add up to a complete video solution in a very portable package that's amazing for the price. This will even let you live stream via the app. On number 3, Canon XA40. The Canon XA40 is a pro-grade camcorder that not only produces outstanding 4K footage but also uses oversampling to ensure that its full HD footage is of unrivaled quality. The 20x zoom lens gives you real shooting flexibility, and the palm-sized design makes it easy to pack up and take anywhere you need to go. It also has optical 5-axis image stabilization, which makes it easier to take professional-looking images while shooting handheld. A camera that can be used in any season and in any situation. On number 2, Sony FDR-X3000. This tiny action cam can shoot 4K at 30 FPS, adding much-needed depth to your sports videos. The Sony FDR-X3000 features a Zeiss Tessar wide-angle lens and the Bian's X image processor used in Sony's A7 camera line, as well as a balanced optical steady shot, aka B.O.SS, image stabilizer. It will record 4K and ZAVGAS and HD at 30 frames per second in MP4. The underwater housing on the FDR-X3000 is waterproof up to 60 meters. The RMLVR3, a cool watch-style remote monitor, is also included. This connects to the action cam wirelessly via Wi-Fi. An exciting and capable alternative to a GoPro Hero or other action camera. On number 1, Sony HDR-CX405. To make great movies, you don't need to spend a lot of money. The Sony HDR-CX405 costs under £200 and comes with a slew of advanced features to help you create highly polished films. The camcorder records in ZAVGAS or OVT format as well as the file-sharing friendly MP4 format, which you can edit in camera with the onboard Highlight Movie Maker. You can also add a variety of visual effects without having to use multiple editing programs. With its powerful intelligent active mode technology, optical steady shot helps to fight handshake. There's a Carl Zeiss Vario Tessar 30x optical zoom, with an impressive 26.8mm wide-angle setting. The camcorder even has 5.1 audio capture. Usability is good. We particularly like the tethered USB cable, which makes it a doddle to recharge the camcorder and copy footage to a PC. Given the spec, you might be hard-pressed to justify spending more, making this one of the best camcorders for filmmakers on a budget. So guys, this was the video about the best camcorder 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.